I want to give you an exclusive invitation. If you're like most cleaning business owners and managers that we work with, you don't have the time and sometimes you don't have the expertise to get some of this stuff done. I've worked with cleaning and restoration companies all over the US, Canada, the UK, and Australia, and I've helped them rank, and this is what I do. So I'm going to give you two different options. If you would like some or all of this stuff that we've talked about in those 6 ranking factors done for you, fill out the form below this video. Option number 2, we do have training courses available. If you want to roll up your sleeves and learn how to do this yourself, you have support from me. You do even have the option for being able to get one-on-one consultation from me specifically for your cleaning website and your internet marketing plan. I'll give you the link for my ad coaching club that gives you that training below this video as well. So if you're even remotely interested in getting some help, fill out that form. If you do want any training, sign up for the ad coaching club, link below this video. I want to thank you for watching this series. I hope that it's been some help. Go out and make some good out of what you've learned here. Get some ranking for your website and grow your cleaning business.